Okay, welcome students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about how we answer the questions, what is this and what is that? Let's review. What is this and what is that? What is this? This is a pencil. What is this? This is a notebook. What is that? That is a computer. What is that? That is a scissor. Okay. What is this? This is a blackboard. What is this? This is a window. Okay, that's right. So today we will learn about fruits. Okay, we have a new lesson today. Now, what are these? Apples, yes. A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. How about this picture? Bananas, yes, bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. How about this one? Yes, coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Okay. How about this one? Mangoes, yes, mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Mangoes. How about this one? Oranges, yes, oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. How about this picture? Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Strawberries. Strawberries. Let's spell. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Strawberries. Okay, so I hope that you learned for today. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye.